All right. Thanks for tuning in to another video of Total Battle Guide. I realized there was a tutorial on how to use a program, but it's outdated. So we're going to have to freshen up a little bit. When you launch the program, you get a start page. You create a new clan database if you want to create a new clan. For example, clan abbreviations. Let's just say min. Okay. You click on create, and there you go. Now, when you do that, it automatically saves. Then you just have to add Clanmates by clicking on the Spartan helmet. To add Clanmates, type in the name. And then, so what I'm doing is I'm typing in the name and pressing enter. And that is okay. So once you got that, you click on save. And then you set up the OCR Wizard. Okay. If your monitor is 1920 pixels and higher, then you could safely select all four. So you see where the rectangle is being drawn. This is the area you want to be at. Am I happy with the results? Yes. Do not select time left or anything over here. Do not do that because the program will actually have a fit if you do that. Now it's telling you to mark the claim button. Are you happy with the results? Yes, of course I am. Then you click on done. And in additionally, so let's say you have a 1024 pixels monitor in height, right? You want to go through this again. And select only around here. Okay? Yes. Yes. Okay. Then you click on done. And then because of you only have 1080p, okay, it's probably a good assumption that anything less than 180p would be problematic. Okay. So you changed this down to 3. Okay. Instead of 4, you set it down to 3. And then you click on save. Okay. Now you could press F9. Okay. Okay. So, okay, that is how you practically get up and running, practically, you know. Okay. Um, that's the basis of it. Other than that, um, Chest Builder gives you tools, the type of chests that is available in the game. This is pretty much the default. You can add, you can also remove them. The only reason why Chest Builder is here is because it allows you to it allows you to set up conditions or points. So what's happening is here, you see this arena? It goes by the type of the chest. In the future, what I'll have is I'll have it where it automatically detects whatever is inside the database and then try its best to add it. When I say try its best, I've always found out anytime that I went automatic on people and they don't have full control over certain things, they kind of get a little bit, something's not working right. So, and if there's a chest that's that you don't know about, or if there's a chest you're not sure about, right? You can open up your clan root folder, which is in your documents folder, and total battle chest tracker, and then Phoenix. Okay. Now, there we go. All right. So we'll have to go back to crying out loud. Wow. Chest builder. Okay, so we have to go back to chest builder. Okay. So now we got that. So the name of the chest, so let's say we want to add this, right? We go on add button, click on the add button. The type of the chest is Rise of the Ancients event. Name of it is Ancient Chest. Okay? Does it have a level? No, it does not. Okay? And then you click on OK to add it. So there you go. It is successfully added. And now when I click on save, so we're going to also click on Clan Insights again. So got that fixed. There we go. Jiminy Crickets. Because it was a couple days ago, now the Rise of the Ancients events are being calculated in. So, L7. Yeah. All right. So that's what Chest Builder does. Chest Builder just allows you to be able to add. So think about this. Think about Chest Builder as the glue that communicates with Clan Insights and Clan Chest Manager. Okay? And now while we're at it, right? Let's add chest points. So we'll go to General, click on Use Chest Points, click on Add Chest Points, And let's add, yeah, we can say that. Let's give them 999, okay? And then say apply. Okay, now we're going to, because of the points that are not, because the points are not, have not been calculated yet, you need to validate the clan chest data integrity. And then it should tell you incorrect chest points. So we're going to repair. And then it'll tell you the repairs are complete. So what it's doing right now, it is adding the points for the Rise of the Ancients. If you, okay, yeah, well, okay. So if you're having members that are being added by the OCR, but they're not the actual person, you want to make sure to go to OCR and adjust this as best as possible, the Clanmate similarity percentage. What that is doing is that will it will test what it sees in the OCR compared to what inside the database. Okay. Yep, that made sense. It would compare what it sees from the OCR to the Clanmate list. Okay, there we go. All right. So that is the rundown. So Clanmate validation is if you are having a bunch of names being generated, well, you will have to run Clanmate validation. Okay. So what essentially this does is it does the same test, similarity percentage test, and it compares it to a verified list. Okay. Now, so what you can do is you can type them up. Oh wow! Okay, this would be silly. You could type them up and go awesome dude right here, right? Press enter and it adds it to this box. Clanmate view, okay? We could clear this. Another way to add people is by clicking on this, drawing a rectangle, or that a rectangle, and it gets added in, okay? Let's clear this up. Wow. Okay. So once you generate a verified list of your members, then you want to save them to file, and it just saves it as a text file. And with that, so you don't have to constantly keep on doing that over and over again because that'll be annoying. Okay, so this is a verified list, right? Once you're done, you click on the check mark, and it is right now it's processing. It's making sure everything's fine, and it ran into a issue where this person is this person. So sometimes you're going to have a misspelling. Think about this. parent, child, parent, child, parent, child. Proper owner, bad spelling. Proper own, proper owner, um, misspelled user. Okay. Now you may have to tweak some numbers. If something doesn't look right, then you may have to tweak some numbers around. Okay. So you, in a future update, the UI interface will be much better because this is just annoying. I have to constantly click here and it goes begin and blah 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 blah. Okay. And do this again and validate. Okay. See, it's annoying. So what I'd rather do is, yeah. So that'll be fixed once I get a chance to around to it. So even though these guys are spelled correctly, there's probably something that else is not being spelled correctly. What do we got? Lowercase I? Yeah. So I think this is actually a legit user. Um, and like I said, if something doesn't feel right, yeah, I'm gonna add more controls to this. Maybe a swap or something because obviously it needs something. This is a silly sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna add. Yeah, I'm gonna work on this like heavy. But this is what you get for now. Okay, so if you feel confident that like what you're seeing is present, like let's say you don't see a user within the members page, right? And you don't see this user underneath the members page, okay? Then you click on fix, and what it will do, it will put the children or misspelled users into the proper Clanmate. There we go. Okay. Hopefully this is enough to get you off the ground and running. Uh, yeah, you're gonna expect to see some drastic changes done to the OCR Wizard. Will be renamed to OCR Studio. The Clanmate Validator is going to have to get a major facelift, and a new patch is going to have to come out soon. Yeah, a new patch is going to have to come out soon. So, because OCR crashed because it couldn't find an image that it depended on. So, there's that. All right. So, make sure you like, subscribe, and also make sure that if this video helped you out, put a like comment, put a like or comment like yes it did. Any suggestions or feedback, or you want a feature demonstrated, or you want a feature to be implemented, post in the comments. I'll try my best to respond to YouTube comments. But yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Okay, have a good day and a good holiday and all that good stuff.